how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. And Halloween is super close, so I wanted to do a Halloween video or like Halloween makeup tutorial. It didn't end up like super cool or like what I imagined to be like, but I really like the result, and this is the most uncomfortable thing ever. But Coraline is one of my favorite movies since I was a child, so I wanted to recreate something kind of like her costume, but kind of like scary. So I just want to go into the video, and I hope that you really like it, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the video. So because I want to protect my eyebrows, I'm gonna first apply some glue stick, and then I also apply some setting powder, and I repeat this twice so that my eyebrows are like glued and nothing like gets removed when I take the liquid latex off. Now I'm gonna use 2 cotton pads, and I'm gonna put them over my eye using paper tape, and I'm gonna make sure that it's covering my eyebrow, and on top of this it's where we're gonna place our button. And to place the button, I use eyelash glue. I just let it dry for a couple of minutes or like seconds really, and then just place it on top of the cotton pad. And then on top of it, I added some liquid latex as well as some cotton balls, like little pieces of cotton, so that it would add some texture. Then the next step is adding some foundation so that it would blend the color of the liquid latex with my skin color. But then I realized that the latex wasn't dried yet, so I only added it to like the outside of it and then let the latex dry. So while I let that dry, I started doing my eyebrows. And honestly, the shape of Coraline's eyebrows were kind of weird, so I just tried to imitate it a little bit, but it didn't turn out exactly like that. And then because she has a blue hair, I also tried to add some blue eyeshadow to my eyebrows, even though she doesn't really have them like that. I then added a winged eyeliner, which actually turned out to be super difficult to do because I could only see with one eye, but I think it was okay. And then I also tried contouring my face with the Milk's products and some of the Benefit Parade palette, because I wanted to match her face features and like all the characteristics. I also added some mascara, and I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, and I added some blush, which I'm using the Milk cream product. And on top of that, I apply the Benefit Parade palette, the blush and bronzer to finish up like the face. By this point, the liquid latex dried a little bit more, so I applied also some more foundation, but it didn't quite exactly match my skin tone. And I also added some freckles because Coraline has freckles, so I just added them with my brow pencil, and I tried like blurring them with my finger, and I added some texture with a red crayon over the button. Now it's time for the wig, and this one I got it from Amazon for like $15, but I didn't have her dragonfly like bobby pin, so I just split the bangs and made it look kind of similar. And I also wanted to add a little bit of texture on the mouth, so I made kind of like scar with the red crayon and my brow pencil.